Hello everyone, I'm glad to be here with you once again for another exciting video about French taxes. As you can see, we have a new studio that will allow us to provide you with more frequent content about taxes, investment and more. My name is Géraud and I'm a French chartered accountant, as you know. Today, we'll be speaking about the French wealth tax, also known as IFI for very close friends. IFI, what is it? IFI, or Impôt sur la Fortune Immobilière, real estate wealth tax, is the latest version of the French wealth tax. It focuses specifically on properties, aiming to encourage people to invest in the economy rather than buying real estate. You become taxable once your taxable real estate assets reach 1.3 million euros as of January 1st of each year. Who needs to declare it? Both French tax residents and non-French tax residents are affected by this tax. French tax residents, you must file a tax return if your entire real estate portfolio exceeds 1.3 million euros, whether the properties are in France or not. Good to know though, if you have just become a French tax resident, you will only have to pay the IFI tax on your French properties for the first 5 years. Non-French tax residents, you must file a tax return if your French portfolio property exceeds the 1.3 million euros threshold. What needs to be declared? Almost everything related to real estate. Houses, apartments, garage, building under construction, land, as well as shares of real estate companies, SCI, SCPI, etc. and usufruct. What is really taxable? Here's some good news. There are allowances and deductions available to reduce your final taxable real estate portfolio. Your main residence is granted a 30% allowance as well as your professional assets. Additionally, you can deduct the amounts of mortgages taken to finance the properties as well as property taxes, taxe foncière in France. It's better than nothing, right? How and when to declare it? The IFI tax return is actually an annex to the main income tax return, which is the Form 2042, if you follow my video, and must be filed at the same time, of course, between May and June, depending on your department. The very first return will have to be submitted in a paper form. How is it calculated? The IFI tax works with a tax bracket just like the income tax. It starts at a rate of 0.5% for taxable amount between 800,000 euros and 1.3 million. Then increases to 0.7% for amount between 1.3 and 2.57 million euros, and so on and so on. You can find the full tax bracket on the screen. For example, a taxable amount of 3 million euros would result in a tax of 15,690 euros. When is it paid? Just like the income tax, it's paid from September to November, depending on the moment you receive your tax bill. This is exactly what's written on the tax office website, believe it or not. I hope you enjoyed this video despite the challenging topic. I tried to present it as succinctly as possible, focusing on most important information. For any additional inquiries, please feel free to contact us directly via email at taxes@frenchtaxonline.com. We'll be glad to assist you with your IFI tax or any tax investment questions in France. I wish you all a wonderful day and see you soon.